And the race is on. Lim Shoti fast begin home run last as the Quattro Supra in the middle alongside Deputy Stravinsky and Hoy Tamana is the early trailer. Halsey, the favorite, home run last. Lim Shoti, Hoy Tamana is running by the Quattro Supra and Deputy Stravinsky. Rounding the far turn, Hasi Hoy Tamana in between runners by Daral home run last. Lim Shoti is racing from the outside and Quattro Supra. Hasi Lim Shoti home run last. Hoy Tamana, Quattro Supra and Deputy Stravinsky as they race the final corner. The favorite Hasi. Home run last down on the inside. Lim Shoti is racing third and Quattro Supra. And nearing the finish line, Hasi. Home run last down on the inside. Lim Shoti on the further outside is Quattro Supra. Hasi, home run last, Hasi. And finally, home run last, Hasi. Lim Shoti, Quattro Supra, Deputy Stravinsky, and Hoy Tamana.